Wow, look at that. Amazing, right?
Rain Access Solutions.
Hi guys, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. So today, this package just arrived from the Philippines. I bought this item from USA, courtesy of my cousin, Tricia. So shout out to Tricia, thank you for helping me to buy this item from US. So what happened is that it was difficult to buy this from the Philippines, and some sellers are also selling in Lazada, and it says it's coming from China, but the price are like 30,000 pesos, and it's a bit expensive. So, and I'm not sure if they are original. So what I did was that I sent money to my cousin to New York, and we ordered from Amazon, and this is a second hand because the price for the brand new one is twice as much as that of the second hand. So yeah, we opt for the second hand, and it almost cost me like 22,500 plus the shipping fee. More maybe went around up to 25,000 to 29. I'm not sure. So here's the SIG Thermal Compact Pro. So as you can see, this is the package, and if you look at the back, there's an Amazon there. It says, thanks to you, this product has a second life. So this is a second hand thing, and it's not a brand new stuff. Yeah, it's a USB type C, so perfect for my Note 9 phone. It's the Compact Pro version, not the XR. So if you look at it, they actually bothered to put sticker on it, just to inform us that they're thanking us for buying a second hand item. So as you can see, it's already opened, so we just have to open it. My cousin actually opened this already and had a look at it, but she did not test it because she didn't know how to use this thing. Okay, so let's remove the top cover. Just slide it down. There you go. So we have the casing and the camera itself. This is the protective case. Keep your thermal camera inside, and it's waterproof, I guess. And it's a sturdy thing, and it's good for protecting this thermal camera. So here's the thermal camera itself. I was surprised that it's really small, and I thought it's bigger, but I have no problem with its size, and I guess that the smaller is better. So let's remove this and have a look at the back. Also, we have this small pamphlet here, so it just shows some of its usage. The one in the picture is the XR. Yeah, as you can see, this is the compact version, And here's how to get it started. It says here that we need to download the SIG Thermal app from the Play Store. Let's go ahead and try and find that application, and I'll come back. So I found this SIG Thermal app from the Play Store, and I'm now in the process of downloading it. It's only 19%, so I'm gonna come back later and show to you when it's done, when it's complete. So now I have downloaded it. Let's try and plug the camera. Oh, so the casing is getting in the way, so I'll have to remove this first. Let's plug it in, set some settings. Yeah, there you go. So let's try this thing on my hand and let's see what it looks like under a thermal camera. Oh wow, there you go. Kind of look like Naruto when he's under the Kurama mode. It's pretty bright. So let's try this on my office mates. There. Okay, so there you go. If you're ever wondering what I'm gonna use this one for, I'm actually going to use it for finding faults in the motherboard or in the logic board in the future. So once again, if you guys find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.